So children, today's topic is conjunction. What is a conjunction? Conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make one long sentence. Now there are different types of conjunctions also, like coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. Now in coordinating conjunctions, we can easily remember these 7 words by the abbreviation fanboys. So F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. So in this way we can remember the different coordinating conjunctions. Now we see the subordinating conjunctions. So it shows the relationship between two parts of a sentence. So when we show the comparison, we use rather than, as much as, whereas, than, whether. Okay. When we relate the time, that time we use before, after, as soon as long as, by the time, now, that, since, till, until, when, whenever, while. For showing the condition, we use if, only if, unless, provided, that, assuming, that, even if, in case, lest. For showing reason, we can use because, since, that, as. Purpose, we use so that, in order, that. For showing the concession, we use though, although, even though. And for showing place, we use where, wherever. For manner, we use how, as though, as if. So now children, we can also see the correlative conjunctions, like, for example, not only, but, also, neither, nor, though, yet. Okay. Now we can see the different conjunctions along with a sentence. How we can use it in a sentence. Now we see the coordinating conjunctions first of all, when we are using the conjunction and. So and is basically used to join two things, two nouns. For example, like this: I like strawberries and bananas on my cereal. Next, nor. So nor is used when I don't want to do something or I don't like something. That time I use nor. So Bob does not like broccoli, nor do I. But means I'm showing an option. Okay. So that time I use but. Jill likes oranges but does not like apples. Means I like something. Jill likes something like oranges but does not like apples. Or we can eat salad or vegetables for dinner. So when I'm giving a reason, Dad went to the bakery so we can have dessert. Next we see correlative conjunctions. So what are these? Correlative conjunctions, they join similar words but are always used in pairs, like both and together we can use in a sentence like this: the dinner was both delicious and nutritious. Either or. I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. Neither and nor. So here we can use Natalie likes neither milk nor ice cream. Whether and or. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Not only and but also. Not only will we have cake for dessert but also ice cream. Next we can see some examples of subordinate conjunction also. Like Pete didn't go to work yesterday because he was ill. So I am showing the reason. Next we will use as. As he was feeling unwell, Hafiz didn't go to work yesterday. Next, I will send you a map so that you can find the place more easily. Next sentence, I will call you as soon as I get home. So it is showing time. Okay. I will wait until you arrive. Here also we are seeing the time. Next, did he say anything before he left? So here also we are seeing the time. Next, the baby gets very grumpy whenever he is tired. here also we see the time. So these are the different types of conjunctions. Hope you have understood conjunctions topic from this video.